In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply for an SFB BRG Procurement Solicitation. From any browser, visit sfb.az.gov. From the home page, hover over the BRG Applications tab. Then hover over the Solicitations tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select BRG Procurement. You will then be brought to the overview page of the solicitation. There are 5 tabs available to view, and each must be thoroughly examined before applying for your solicitation. Here, I will walk through 3 important tabs. The Overview tab contains information regarding the purpose of the solicitation, including what the solicitation is meant for and when one should apply for it. The Eligibility tab contains information regarding your eligibility to apply for the solicitation. Review this section carefully to verify your eligibility. The Files tab contains documents and guides related to the application. You are now ready to apply. At the solicitation homepage, click on the Apply button. This will take you to the eCivis portal login. If you have not used the eCivis portal, you will need to create an account. If you have previously made an eCivis account, sign in with your credentials and click on Portal Login. If you have not created an eCivis account prior to this, click on Create an Account. Fill in the necessary fields, and then press Sign Up. You will be sent an email from eCivis to verify your email address. Open the email and click Confirm My Account to finish creating your account. This will take you back to the login page. Enter in your new login credentials and click Portal Login to sign into the system. Once you are on the eCivis homepage, click on Create New Application. The system will prompt you to sign in again. This will link your eCivis account to your solicitation. You will sign in using your eCivis portal login. Once logged in, you will see 3 steps associated with the BRG Procurement Solicitation: Profile, BRG Procurement Application, and eCivis Applications Budget Worksheet. Let's begin with step 1. On the Profile tab, click Open or Edit. This is where you will fill out and/or update your profile information. The only required fields are name, email, and phone. When finished, select Create Profile or Save Changes. Now on to step 2, completing the application. Scroll down using the interior sidebar and click on Untitled Application Process. Next, click on Open. Enter a project title. It is recommended to put your school name, the deficiency, and the building or buildings it's associated with. Provide a detailed description of the deficiency. Answer whether or not this BRG procurement solicitation is following a BRG design application. Then complete the rest of the application. For questions 4 and 5, click the link provided to find the program/project legislative and congressional district numbers. Enter in the name of the school district to find your district numbers. Be sure to check all boxes that apply to the district. For questions 6 through 16, you will need to refer to the District Facility Information page. Click here to be taken directly there. You will first need to sign in. From the home page, select your school. Then copy and paste the same project title used for your eCivis application. Select the type of solicitation, Select the project buildings, then click Save Details. You will be brought to the Facility Information page, which includes the facility information and eligibility questions. Note, every project application will have its own unique ESS number. Do not reuse ESS numbers for other project applications. Verify all reports are current and that the facility information is correct. Copy and paste all required information from the District Facility Information page. For question 26, you will need to complete the SFB BRG Procurement Budget Worksheet. You can download the worksheet by clicking here. Once downloaded, you can begin to fill out the applicable information on the budget worksheet in the blue highlighted areas only. In the Step 1 box, enter the percentage amount of excluded space. Enter numbers only, do not enter a percentage sign. You can find this information on the District Facility Information page we visited prior. In the Step 2 box, enter in the costs associated with your BRG procurement based on the proposal or quote for this project. As you input this information, you will begin to see the table making automatic calculations based on the input values in the green highlighted sections. Save this document for future reference, as the SFB Procurement Budget Worksheet will need to be referenced later for the eCivis Application Budget Worksheet. Skip question 27 for now. We will return to this later. Finally, fill out contact information for the school, and then select Save Draft. We can now move on to the last step, completing the eCivis Application Budget Worksheet. Scroll down using the exterior scroll bar to the bottom of the page. You will find that the project application you just made has created an associated application budget worksheet. To get to the eCivis budget worksheet, go under Actions, click on the 3 lines, then click on Edit Budget. You will be brought to the eCivis budget worksheet. Here, you will need to pull up the SFB BRG Procurement Budget Worksheet you filled out and uploaded earlier. Under Budget Items, you will begin to input information from your SFB BRG Procurement Budget Worksheet. You will input the information from the green highlighted cost and cost share columns into the eCivis Budget Worksheet. Click on the line item name, then begin to enter the data into the corresponding cost and cost share fields. Do this for each applicable line item. You can save changes at any time by clicking here. Once you are finished inputting the information under budget items, verify that the total costs correctly correspond with your SFB BRG budget worksheet. When you are done inputting all of the information, save your changes and select Return to Application. Go back into the application and select Yes on question 27, since you just completed the eCivis budget worksheet. Then scroll down and select Mark Complete. If you have completed the preceding steps and there are no actions needed messages, you are ready for submission. If you have entered all of the necessary information, a green Submit button will populate. Click Submit. You have now successfully submitted your application. You can check on the status of your application through this portal by clicking on My Applications on the side of the page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel for other tutorials and guides. If you have any further questions or concerns, please contact your SFB liaison.